hello my subscribers, welcome in today's video, and today we are going to look at a common word, send. How do we use send? Because most of you have been hearing this send but you don't know how to use it. So send in Luganda can be okutuma. Okutuma. So let's dive into it. How to use send. Engeri OKUKOZESAMU okutuma. What does send mean? So send means to cause something to go or be taken from one place to another. Once again, send means to cause something to go or be taken from one place to another. So, in other words, okutuma kitegeeza ekintu okuva mu kifo ekimu okutuuka mu kifo ekirala. Like one thing is taken from one place to another. Ekintu kitumibwa okuva mu kifo ekimu okutuuka ekirala. Kiva mu kifo ekimu okutuuka mu kifo ekirala. So, in other words, send means sending something or to cause something to go from one place to another. Okay, so for example, I send emails every day. So like you type emails and you send them, so which means they are moving from one place to another. So I send emails every day. Inze ntuma obubaka buli lunaku. Inze ntuma obubaka buli lunaku. Another example, he sent a message. He sent a message, and this in Luganda is ye because of he. Ye yatumye obubaka, message obubaka. Ye yatumye obubaka. Another example, please send me the file. Please send me the file. And this in Luganda is bambi mpereza file eyo. So here in this example, please send me the file. Send is not going to be okutuma. No, because of send me, someone is sending to you. So please send me the file. Bambi mpereza omuntu akuweereza. So totumye akuweereza. Bambi mpereza file eyo. Bambi mpereza file eyo, because you are being sent to the file. Hope you are together. Okay, let's see how we use send in other words. So how it changes with tenses. Engeri enjawulo send gyekyukamu mu njogera. Remember we looked at tenses. Tenses is a way how the English sentences are constructed depending on the time or duration they occur. Yengeri gyoyogeramu olulimi Olungereza okusinzira ebbanga ekintu bwe kyaliwo oba bwe kiriwo. Okay, so that is tenses. We looked at tenses. We said tenses, there are three: past tense, future tense, and present tense. Okay, let's start with the past tense. Past tense, send will change to sent. You should note that. With past tense, send changes to sent. An example, I sent him yesterday. Remember, this is past, so it talks about things that happened previously. So I sent him yesterday. Inze namutumye ejo. Inze namutumye ejo. I sent him yesterday. That is past tense. Let's go to the future tense. With the future tense, remember we said future tense we use a root word will, because something is not yet happening, will happen in future. So here we say future tense, send will change, will send. Will send, we add on this root word will. Okay, so future tense will send. An example, I will send the file. I will send the file. And this in Luganda is inze nja kuweereza file. Inze nja kuweereza file. So you will send the file. Inze nja kuweereza. Remember, this is future tense. Inze nja kuweereza file. Hope you are together. So with present continuous tense, send changes to sending. Add on ing because it is present continuous tense. Sending. I am sending her now. I am sending her now. Inze ndi mutuma kati. Because of her, mutuma. Inze ndi mutuma kati. So some people say inze ndi kutuma ye kati. Or some people will say inze ndi kutuma ye. But because of the intermediate level, we say inze ndi mutuma because of mu. You're referencing to that person you are sending. Inze ndi mutuma ye. Or for beginner level, they say inze ndi kutuma ye kati. because of beginner level. But for intermediate level, we use mu to reference to that person and the activity. Nze ndi mutuma kati. Hope you are together on that. So that is the way how send changes according to different tenses. Yengeri okutuma okukyukamu mu njogera y'enjawulo mu Lungereza. Okay, let's have the different ways of using send. How send is used. Number one, so to send a message. So send is used to send a message. An example, I sent her a letter. As you've seen above, I sent her a letter. Nze namutumye ebbaluwa. So letter is ebbaluwa. Nze namutumye ebbaluwa. So number one, send can be used to send a message. Number two, to send someone something. To send someone something. Okutuma omuntu ekintu. For example, can you send me that? Osobola okumpeereza ekyo. Can you, because of send me, so it will change to mpeereza. Osobola okumpeereza because of you. Osobola okumpeereza ekyo. Send me should take note of this. Can you send me that? Osobola okumpeereza ekyo. That is the second use. The third use, to send someone to a place. To send someone to a place. Okutuma omuntu mu kifo. An example, they sent Joel to the hospital. They sent Joel to the hospital. Because of they, we say, bo batumye Joel ku ddwaliro. Bo batumye Joel ku ddwaliro. Hospital is ddwaliro. Hope you are together on that. Okay, what you should note here, there are three different uses of send. Number one, to send a message, okutuma obubaka. Number two, to send someone something. To send someone something, okutuma omuntu ekintu. The third use is to send someone to a place. So this one is different from the second one. This is to send someone something, and this is to send someone to a place. Okutuma omuntu ekintu, okutuma omuntu mu kifo, a place mu kifo ekimu. Okay, those are the three uses of this word send, okutuma. Okay, so let's have some exercise. This is dedicated to you. Write a sentence with send in the comment box. Write a sentence with send in the comment box. So ngenda kumpandikira sentence ng'okozesa send oba okutuma mu comment box. Okay, that is it in this video. That is the way how you can use send oba okutuma in Luganda. Let's meet up in the next video. Bye bye. Whatever.